Hello, welcome back guys to Explorer channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to disable autocorrect in Yandex keyboard on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, firstly, of course, just go ahead to the Yandex applications over here. If you want to disable it for the autocorrect in Yandex keyboard, just go ahead to this three slice icon at the bottom. We'll find the Yandex applications here, guys. Tap on it right now. After, scroll it down a little until we found out here the text input options. Tap on it, and as you can see, for my autocorrect on my keyboard is activated, guys, for the auto corrections. So if you want to disable it, you just have to tap on the toggle beside it like this, and to save it, you just have to go back. It will save automatically, guys. Now we can check it again to this text input, and yeah, for the auto correction is still non-active. And yeah, I think it's enough, guys. A tutorial from me how to disable autocorrect in Yandex keyboard on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.